Hello, my crafty friends. It's Ellie from Periwinkle Matilda, and today I did a little work with Sigitas Grungy Scribbles, her Grungy Backgrounds kit, and I put together a little art journal that I plan on doing some art and tutorials for the design team projects. And what I did was I took a piece of sheet fabric and I coffee dyed it to grunge it up. It didn't really do a whole lot to it. I used coffee, instant coffee, and vanilla extract, which is like a dark vanilla extract from Dollar Tree that kind of adds to the color and it gives it a nice smell. And then what I did was I used my Versacraft for fabric stamp, and I used two different stamps. One is the script stamp and the other is just a big flower stamp. So I stamped that all over. And then I took a piece of coffee dyed paper and I put a little bit of glue to adhere it to the inside. And then I sewed all around it. And then I took my sewing machine around a few times and then just did some like scribbly things with my sewing machine. And then I took a piece of linen fabric and I did some slow stitching just to add a little bit of texture and interest. And then I took another piece of fabric and I glued it down to an old book page. See if you can see inside. And then I took it to the sewing machine and sewed around it and then did some scribbly fast stitching on it. And then I glued it down to make a pocket because I thought that this would look really nice on the front cover. This is the tag that we made yesterday. And then I took a stencil with my walnut stain and I used the stencil throughout the coffee stain paper. And then I added, it's about 20 pages of pages from Sigitas kit that I printed on coffee dyed paper. And then I have the coffee dyed line paper, and then I have some blueberry dyed paper which came out really grungy. And then some more coffee dyed paper that dried on a doily to give it some texture. And this is from the kit, from Sigitas kit, and I will link that in the description box below. My cat is just chewing up my, I'm just going to put him outside here. He was chewing up my box for my new brother sewing machine. He just loves to chew on things. Another page from the kit. I love it with the scribbles. And then some mulberry paper. I love the texture of it. And all the pages are are ripped with the tear roller that we made together in a video. And here's another kit page. I love this page as well. I love all the pages in the kit. And more kit page. Another kit page. This is putting the coffee dyed paper through my printer. My printer doesn't really like the coffee dyed paper, although I did iron it to flatten it. A couple times it jammed, and then I think it was the inside had too much ink throughout the printer, and it just left some skid marks on the back of the coffee dyed paper, but I like that. It's great for grungy. Here's another nice page from the kit, a dark blueberry dyed page. Came out really grungy. And then I have, here's another page from the kit, and then I had a coffee dyed big envelope that I put in the center, and I thought it would be nice to put tags or something in. So I think this is going to end up being an art type journal, and I plan on using the kit pages to embellish the pages and to do some artistic work on the pages. So I will be doing it on video so that everyone can see what I'm doing and how I'm using the kit pages, and it will be a lot of mixed media, so I'm really looking forward to that. So just a quick video for today. I don't really have any tutorials today. I will have tutorials coming up on the weekend. So if you haven't already subscribed, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell so that you'll be notified of all my upcoming videos. And I also wanted to show you that I did add some coffee dyed line paper to the back of the tags. I really like the way they turned out. And yeah, so I hope you have a great rest of your evening. Take care, stay safe, be well, and all that good stuff. Until the next video. Bye-bye, friends.